Once again, welcome to Oracle Database Administration, Competency 3, Chapter 10. What are we monitoring? Okay, Chapter 10 speaks to the categories that Oracle monitors and the primary tool program that Oracle uses to monitor those categories. So we have the idea of what is a DBA supposed to do? Well, he's supposed to make sure the database is available. He's supposed to make sure that or monitor any changes that occur to the database. Security, make sure that people who are supposed to be on are on and people who are not supposed to be on are not on. Backups, make sure that you have a mechanism so if the database does not have a good day, you can always fix it later. Growth. As the database grows or as the database is used, inevitably you're going to use more resources, more memory space, more whatever. A good example would be maybe licenses. You know, you have a 50 or 100 user license and you hire more people, all of a sudden you have more users than you have licenses. So that's one thing. Growth. Workload. This is one of those things where, okay, what is more important? If you have car problems and your air conditioner is not working and your alternator is not working, where do you put your resources? To fix the air conditioner or to fix the alternator? Okay, so you have to make decisions on where you're going to apply resources. Now, in order to do that, you have to have statistics, you have to have graphs, you have to figure out what's going on. So we're going to look at the program that provides statistical information on how the database is performing. Capacity, once again, as data is collected, you may wind up not having more room, so then you got to clean it up. And then also, we have talked about SQL Developer, and we've talked about Enterprise Manager. Understanding that we live in a market society, so there are many third-party products. Some products are brand specific. Some products, if you have like an Oracle backend, but you have many different applications, there may be third-party products that are available to help you with certain items. For example, you have an Oracle database, but you have a lawyer's office. There may be a third-party product specifically attuned to fit that parameter, those conditions. So yes, we're talking about SQL Developer and Enterprise Manager. Understand that there may be some third-party products specific to a site location. Now, the changes that we talked about, there's a program called DBA Audit Object. For security, there's another object or a small program called DBA Audit Session. For backups, there's a tool called RMAN. For growth, which keeps track of how your files are growing and how much space you're using, it's called DBA Data Files. So there are some native programs within this structure. Now, a good example would be, some cars have programs that tell you when the air tire is low. Some cars have programs that tell you how far the next car is. They keep monitoring. But it is you, the driver, who has to take all this information and figure out how to balance all that information that you're receiving to get you to your location. And that's what this chapter is about.